Imagine crafting a film. There's a script, a director, actors, cameras, editing software, and an audience eagerly awaiting the final masterpiece. Similarly, the human brain and computers are like intricate productions, each component playing a vital role in creating seamless experiences. Let's explore this analogy through the lens of cinematography, connecting each element of filmmaking to the corresponding functions of the brain and computers. In any film, the director is the visionary, the one who interprets the script, guides the actors, and makes crucial decisions to bring the story to life. This mirrors the brain's executive functions, which handle planning, decision-making, and problem-solving. In a computer, the CPU acts as the director, processing instructions and managing tasks to ensure everything runs smoothly. Both the director and the CPU are central figures that orchestrate various elements to create a cohesive whole. A film script contains all the dialogue, scenes, and directions, a blueprint for the entire production. This is akin to the brain's memory, storing information that guides our actions and reactions. Short-term memory is like an actor memorizing lines for a scene, similar to RAM in a computer, which stores temporary data, while long-term memory is like the script archived for future reference, comparable to a computer's hard drive. Both the brain and computers rely on storage systems to retain and recall vital information. Cameras and microphones capture the visual and auditory elements of a film just as our eyes and ears gather information from the world around us. In computers, input devices like webcams, keyboards, and mice serve this function, feeding data into the system. Both sets of tools are essential for collecting the raw material that will be processed and transformed into something meaningful. After filming, the raw footage moves to the editing suite, where it's cut, arranged, and enhanced to tell a compelling story. This represents the brain's processing centers, which interpret sensory information and make sense of our experiences. Computers use software applications to process data, edit images, or render animations. Both the brain and computers transform raw input into polished output through complex processing. Special effects team, creative thinking versus graphics processing unit, GPU. The special effects team brings imagination to life, creating visuals that captivate the audience. This parallels the brain's creative thinking and problem-solving abilities. In computers, the GPU handles complex graphics tasks, rendering detailed images and animations quickly. Both enhance the basic material, adding depth and creativity to the final product. The soundtrack, emotions and mood, versus audio systems. A film's soundtrack sets the mood, evokes emotions, and enhances storytelling. Similarly, the brain processes emotions, influencing how we perceive and react to situations. In computers, audio systems output sound that can affect a user's experience, like background music in a game or film. Both use auditory elements to enrich the overall experience. The audience, consciousness versus user interface. Ultimately, films are made for the audience. Their engagement and interpretation bring the story full circle. This is akin to our consciousness, the self-awareness that experiences and interprets the world. In computers, the user interface is the point of interaction between the system and the user. It's designed to be intuitive and responsive, ensuring a seamless experience. Both the audience and the user interface are critical for meaningful interaction with the final product. Just as filmmaking is an art that combines various elements to tell a story, the brain and computers integrate multiple components to process information and create experiences. By viewing these complex systems through the familiar processes of cinematography, we gain a deeper appreciation for how thoughts are produced, how data is inputted, stored, processed, and outputted, and how creativity brings ideas to life. This analogy not only bridges the gap between technology and biology, but also highlights the artistry involved in both filmmaking and the intricate workings of minds and machines.